Here is two road code questions that I know will assist driver as they go about their driving duty. Here is the first question. Why must you use signal when turning? Why must you use signal when turning? The answer: to notify other road users of your intention. That means when you are drive and you go turn right or left, you have to use your indicator so the vehicle behind you know what your intention is. If you turn without indicator, believe you me, there can be an accident. So make sure you use your indicator when you are turning. Next question now. What should a driver do if he or she feels drowsy while driving? What should a driver do if he or she feels sleepy while driving? What should you do? Answer: pull over and stop in a safe area. That means if you go party and drink and drunk and want to sleep when you drive go back home, you go to a safe area and park and go sleep. Do not kill yourself because you drop asleep while you are driving. A serious problem this. If you want to sleep, the only remedy for sleep is sleep. So pull over at a safe place and go and sleep. Remember those warnings, and they will assist you as a driver to save your own lives and that of the other people. Big up on yourself.